Welcome to Activ8 Energies, Ireland's #1 solar installer. An Activ8 engineer carries out a technical survey of your home to plan the efficient installation of your solar system. Part of this survey is the measurement of your existing cylinder and hot press. From these measurements, a bespoke cylinder is designed and manufactured to ensure the best performance of your solar system. The survey confirms the orientation, inclination and dimensions of the proposed roof. These measurements are obtained using state-of-the-art laser technology. The final part of the technical survey is to photograph the roof surface and access limitations. These are used to complete a risk assessment for our installation team as part of Activ8's stringent health and safety procedures. Following the on-site survey, an order of all components required for your bespoke Activ8 solar system is generated. On the morning of your installation, your dedicated install team carefully load your solar panels into a specially designed van. Every single component of your system is verified before loading. All of these procedures ensure an efficient one-day installation. All of our vehicles are equipped with GPS tracking devices. The location of your home is sent to the vehicle on the morning of installation. This ensures your team of engineers arrive at the agreed time with a minimum fuss to complete your installation. The team leader introduces himself to the homeowner and explains the process of your installation step by step. Your existing cylinder is carefully drained down and the heating system is isolated. The cylinder is removed and replaced with your higher capacity bespoke solar cylinder. Modifications are made to your home's existing pipework and new solar pipework is connected and routed to your attic space. In the attic, the pump station, expansion vessel and discharge vessel are installed in close proximity to your cylinder. At Activ8 Energies, health and safety is of the utmost importance. These standards are upheld by random on-site inspections from our trusted partner, Advanced Safety and Training Solutions. This ensures that every step of the installation is carried out to the highest safety standards. The slates are carefully removed from the roof to allow for positioning of the solar panels. Highly insulated stainless steel pipework is routed from the pump station and connected to your new solar panels. The flashing system is then fitted around the panels to ensure a well-presented and watertight finish. This flashing system has been specially designed for Irish roofs and weather conditions. In the attic space, the pipework connects to the pump station. The system is now ready to be filled with the heat transfer medium, glycol. Meanwhile, final checks are made to each and every fitting and the system is filled. A fault loop impedance test is completed following the electrical installation of the solar controller. This checks our electrical installation, and additionally, with this test, we verify the safety of the earthing system within your home. A building energy rating certificate is required for all grant-assisted installations. Our trusted partner, Energy Smart, survey your home for energy loss and installation performance. Your home's BER certificate is then forwarded to you. The team ensure that both the inside and outside of your home are clean and tidy following the installation process. At Activ8, we pride ourselves on the quality of your installation as part of our commitment to total customer satisfaction. Within the day, your system is up and running and you are now free to enjoy the benefits of your Activ8 solar system. As part of Activ8's rigorous quality assurance procedure, your engineer explains the full functionality of the solar controller and the complete workings of your system. The engineer completes the installation and customer satisfaction report with you. They provide you with the system warranty documents and registration of the independent warranty. For your peace of mind, Activ8 Energies are only ever a phone call away with industry-leading after-sales support. You can now sit back and enjoy free hot water, safe in the knowledge that you have made a wise financial decision and contributed to protecting our environment for future generations.